Colin vacuuming. Hey, buddy. Are you vacuuming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're vacuuming Daddy now. Hi, Wawa. Very nice. Uh-oh, you're caught. You're caught. Oh, and now you go... Down goes Frasier. It's okay, buddy. You gotta stand up. Down goes Frasier.
You don't have your Celine, did you ever have whoopie pie?
I don't believe so.
Did the Amish make it?
It's cream, right?
That's okay, you guys can talk. I'm just gonna videotaping this. It's just future Susie homemaker that is Colin Bruce.
I love it. Oh, Grandma's house is going to be so clean. Thank you.
This thing's adorable. There's little confetti and stuff like that comes up. You did great, Colin.
Okay, do you want to sweep?